Welcome back to All Things Tash. Today we're going to be grilling up some chicken on the grill, and here are my ingredients. I have thyme, scallion, onion. I have garlic, but it's not in this video, in this clip. Jerk season, the most important one. I have vinegar and lemon juice to wash my chicken. You have to wash your chicken, and paprika for color, and I got ground black pepper. Also, if you want to add an extra spice to it, go ahead, chop up your Scotch bonnet pepper. If you want to add a little pimento seeds, but it was a fast day, so this is what it looks like on the chicken. Do you see the color of the paprika, how it stands out? That is so beautiful. So I'm just going to rub all of this with my hands together, so make sure your hands are clean, or if you can get gloves. I realize I need gloves in the kitchen, and this is what it looks like when I rub all the flavors and spices together. You know what's good on it too? Pepper flakes. I didn't have any pepper flakes, but it's all on preference, and this is what it looks like on the grill. I separate the chunky seasoning from the chicken so it's not sticking to it on the grill and causing a mess. And I use the palm grill spray to prevent any sticking. And this is the, if you can see, I spaced out the chicken a little bit so it doesn't stick together, and I'm closing that grill so that all the flavors can marinate and come together and cook evenly. And that is what it looks like within 5 minutes on the grill. And it was such a hot, beautiful day, and it's just a light of them. Don't I use the grill? Like, I live in South Florida. I mean, it's hot most of the time, but sometimes you don't go outside. It's not too hot. So it was just a very quick decision. So for a lot of people, they would like look at my video, Jamaicans in particular, and say, why she didn't blend the seasoning so that she had more flavor on the chicken. It was a quick decision in the spur of the moment, and I came through. It was delicious. So if you never had grilled chicken, or you can't afford to fly to Jamaica to try out their authentic jerk chicken, this is the best thing, I tell you. If you have a grill, you are in good hands. And yes, I'm just flipping it, making sure that it's cooking evenly, and I'm making sure that you see that everything is gauged on the same settings, because you don't want one part to be cooking fast and the next part, you don't want one part to be burning. And here I have my sauce. So it's just barbecue sauce, ketchup, and a little secret dressing that I got from my friend that also is a grill master. He has his own company downtown Allendale, and we always go there to get food. And yeah, that's what makes my sauce rich and delicious. And here's what it looks like when I take it off the grill. So I'm just gonna pop this into the oven at 350 degrees because my hubby wasn't home yet, and I wanted the chicken to stay a certain temperature. I didn't want it to get cold. So right here, I'm just gonna leave it in the oven just to remain a certain temperature while I wait. And I just had a little white rice and some mixed veggies, and that is what my jerk chicken looks like. I hope you try out this recipe. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, have a blessed day.